Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple TV to an Ethernet network. First, locate the Ethernet port on the back of your Apple TV. It looks like a small rectangular slot. Next, ensure your internet router or modem has an available Ethernet port. You'll need one for the connection. Finally, grab a standard Ethernet cable, which is typically blue or yellow, to bridge the two devices. Now, let's make the physical connection. Take one end of your Ethernet cable and firmly insert it into the Ethernet port on your Apple TV. You should feel a slight click. Then, take the other end of the cable and plug it into an available Ethernet port on your router or modem. Make sure both ends are securely seated to ensure a stable connection. With the cables connected, it's time to verify your network status. Turn on your Apple TV and navigate to the main settings menu. From there, select the network option. You should see details about your current connection. Confirm that Ethernet is listed as the active connection type, indicating a successful wired setup. If it shows Wi-Fi, double-check your cable connections. Connecting via Ethernet provides several key benefits, including a more stable and often faster internet connection compared to Wi-Fi. This can significantly improve your streaming experience, especially for high-definition content. Wired connections also help reduce interference, leading to fewer dropouts. For more great deals, and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the link in the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.